Hey fellow crafters, today we're going to use this puffy thick pipe cleaner to make a little alien. It's the quickest, easiest alien ever. So let's get started.
All right, we're just going to bend this pipe cleaner in half and then bend up each side a little bit to make a little leg. And then we're going to pop the edge out to make the arm. And I'm just going to take some crafting wire. It's my beading wire, but you could use a piece of string, especially if you had some string that was the same color as your pipe cleaner. And this is one of these puffy pipe cleaners from Amazon. So, see, you only have to make one loop right under the armpits and then twist it about a couple times. And I'm just going to snip it off right here and try to tuck in the little pokey ends. I love these puffy pipe cleaners because you only need one to make a really big statement. Now I got a giant Google eye. This is kind of like the Monsters Inc. version. Then trim him up a little bit if you want to. Make him look like a sharp little alien. And then for the other alien, you can take a little piece of black felt and I don't know, I don't like the shape of my eyes. I tried a couple different times and I could never get it for the alien eye I was looking for.
So here's our completed little squiggle eye alien. Or you can do it with the felt eyes. And that's it for today. So I'll see you on the next one. Bye.